What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google AI mode to search for products online. So you want to go ahead and open up the Google AI mode and click the plus on the lower left hand side and just upload an image. So find whatever image that you want. I'm going to go ahead and find something here that I would like to search for. Let's say I would like to search for this bag here. So I can click on it, click and open, and I'm going to just simply say, what is this bag and where can I find it for a good price online, and then say share and hit enter, and it's gonna go ahead and tell me what the bag is and where I can find it online, and yeah, share basically the links, for example. And here you can see it's telling me that the bag is a spray grown bag, and this is the official website for it, and retailers where I can buy it online and all those good stuff, different models and all those stuff, guys. So it's really cool. You even get images and all those good stuff. So if you're looking for products online, you can easily use Google AI mode to search the web for whatever it is that you need. I think that it's a really good AI tool. You can use it just like if you're using ChatGPT. The only thing is that it's come embed within Google that you can use. So here it's an alternative to, let's say, Gemini AI, but I really love the AI mode here built right into Google right here. Very easy and very simple.